What if we could dramatically improve autonomous machines so accidents like this never have to happen? Autonomous machines are rapidly improving our lives, but their reliability is only as good as their vision. And in the harshest visibility conditions, they can fail, sometimes with deadly consequences.
Lolaark Vision is a company adding superhuman eyesight to the cameras feeding AI navigation systems. Our groundbreaking technology significantly enhances video quality and object detection of any high-definition camera in real time. With Lolaark Vision, autonomous and manned machines that depend on vision will have far greater perception and the harshest visibility conditions like fog, rain, snow, darkness, even underwater, making them far more reliable and dramatically reducing the probability of harmful accidents to humans or property. Our technology, initially developed at the University of Houston, is designed to easily integrate into any high-definition camera system. Any machine navigation system or scene detection is a potential customer, making our market global. As we move quickly into the autonomous age, our target markets are growing fast.
Drones will be able to maneuver better. Unmanned or remotely operated small vessels will be able to navigate more safely. Helicopter pilots will be able to fly better. Surgical robots will be able to pinpoint their targets better. Satellites and surveillance cameras will be able to detect better even when haze, humidity, or shadows diminish their view.
As the president of a commercial diving operation here in Texas, I know this technology can be a game changer. Greater visibility underwater will drastically improve our safety and our efficiency. Whether we're inspecting a shipwreck or doing underwater repairs, Lolaark Vision helps our divers see and feel safe, even in the harshest waters where visibility is less than 1 foot. That's why I joined our team of expert academics, mathematicians, computer scientists, and entrepreneurs with collectively over 40 years of research and operational experience. Combined, we are the uniquely perfect team to take this technology to market.
The possibilities in this age of machine autonomy are endless, but we can't afford any accidents. Lolaark Vision has the cutting-edge technology to equip these machines with superhuman vision. Be a part of the next success story to make the world safer and machines more reliable. Invest today and join us in making the invisible visible.